Feels like fall was not here very long at all, and we just skipped right into winter. Storm Track 7's Kiel live in Waterloo this morning and this afternoon. Joins us now with that Storm Track 7 forecast. Kyle, take it away.
Jerry, it is bitterly cold out here today. It's by far the coldest of the season so far. In fact, we did break a record low in Dubuque a little bit earlier today, but I am out here at the Crossroads Hy-Vee in Waterloo. We are helping kick off the Salvation Army's Red Kettle campaign here for 2017. Meteorologist Rachael, Peart, and I are out here earlier. Mark Schnackenberg and Eileen Lone were out here. So all the Storm Track 7 weather team out here braving the cold to help raise money here for the Salvation Army. All of the money does stay local, so we're helping kick off the season out here by ringing the bell. So if you're headed to Hy-Vee today, go ahead and stop by and say hi. Wanted to start out with a little bit of weather history today. On this date back in 1998, we had the strongest low pressure system tracked through the state of Iowa. It was down to 966 millibars. It caused quite a bit of high winds across the state. In fact, most of the reporting stations in Iowa had 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. At Oline, there was 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so it certainly caused a lot of damage and brought some heavy snow into portions of the state as well. You can read more about this on Schneck's weather blog at KWWL.com. Let's talk a little bit about the cold this morning. We did have a record low temperature in Dubuque of 12 degrees. That broke the record of 14 set back in 1973. In Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City, we did have very cold temperatures, but they weren't quite records, just off by a few degrees. Temperatures right now, they're generally in the 20s, but when you factor in the wind, we do have winds out of the southeast between about 5 and 20 miles per hour, and so it's feeling a little bit colder, and you certainly feel it as you step outside. It feels more like the single digits to lower teens. So you'll certainly want the hats and gloves as you head out the door this morning. Our Storm Track 7 live weather network camera, it is showing a lot of sunshine outside. And we do have a few high clouds out here, so we'll continue to see high clouds as we head throughout the afternoon and then especially as we head into the evening hours. But that sunshine is not doing much to help our temperatures. You can see on satellite and radar, we're not seeing any snow moving into the region, so that's certainly good news. We're just dealing with the cold, and at least we are seeing just a bit of sunshine. Now, further off to the west, we do have some thicker cloud cover, and this is all ahead of our next storm system that's going to roll in as we head into Saturday. And that's going to produce a very slight chance for a rain shower and maybe a couple sleet pellets mixing in as well, or some snow. But the good news is we're not anticipating any accumulation. So if you're headed out this evening, things will be dry. We'll just see an increase of clouds. But as we head into tomorrow, again, during the afternoon especially, there could be a couple stray rain or snow showers. Again, no accumulation expected out of that. Then as we head into Sunday, there might be a couple of lingering rain showers, but by and large, most of us will stay dry this weekend. If you do get caught under any of the rain, we'll generally see about 1/10 of an inch or less. Your Storm Track 7 forecast for today, for the rest of today, I should say, has temperatures only around 30 degrees, so we should be up toward 50 degrees, or upper 40s, lower 50s. So it's going to be about 20 degrees below the average. And again, it will be breezy at times with that southeasterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we head into tonight, it's not going to be as cold as what we had last night. We will have temperatures initially dropping into the lower to middle 20s, and then we'll likely see those rise a few degrees as we head toward the morning hours. So we'll have lows in the 20s with increasing clouds. And then again, tomorrow for Veterans Day, we will have a rain or snow shower. Again, most of us stay dry, otherwise it'll be mainly cloudy with high temperatures back in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Your city-by-city forecast shows similar temperatures here as we head into Sunday, so we're kind of seeing a gradual warm-up, and I use warm as a very loose term here. We'll be in the 40s. And your Storm Track 7-day forecast actually has a couple of 50s next week. We do have a chance for rain on Tuesday and again on Thursday. Still some questions on the weather for the end of the week, but some signs are pointing toward maybe even warmer temperatures than 50 degrees. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But in the meantime, just stay warm because it is absolutely frigid out here. We're out here ringing the bells for the Salvation Army's Red Kettle campaign at the Hy-Vee Crossroads. So you'll want to come out and donate. As you can see, Rachael putting in some money right now. So we'll be out here through about 3 o'clock this afternoon. For now, live in Waterloo, Kiel, News 7 KWWL.
Just keep moving like Rachael is. She's got it down. That's one way to stay warm, Kyle. Very good. Thank you to Kyle and to Rachael.